have at the end of this thing, we have two centers over here. Station A, social welfare, school A and B. Okay? Very good. So these are the results for school A. Total ballot issue for center A is 850. Total number of voters on the register 794. Number of ballot issue 727. Number of spoiled ballot 2. Rejected 1. Now the end of the results. Kennedy Ohini Japan 384. Mahamadou Bawumia 339. Owusu Afre Akoto 2. Francis Adai Limo 1. Total valid votes 726. Rejected ballot 1. Total votes in the box 727.
Social welfare school B. The total ballot issue was 800. And then the number of voters on the register was 774. Then proxy is 1. Total ballot issued to voters was 696. And then the total ballot spoiled was 0. Rejected 1. Now for candidate number 1, that is Ken Ohini Ejapon, votes obtained is 353. And then for Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia is 338. Owusu Efriye Akoto 4. Francis Adai Nimo 0. The total valid vote was 695. And then rejected 1. Total votes is 696. So at the end of the day, the score, the one who scored highest here was Ken Ohini Ejapon.